Today, we're talking about 2019 and saying goodbye to 2019 stock market. Roll my intro.
Steinmark.
Today we're looking at 2019 and saying goodbye to 2019 in the stock market and welcoming in 2020. Yeah, I know I'm a little bit early, but I won't be around to actually go ahead and give you this information, so I decided to do this so we can do it now. Now, with that being said, we have also, if you look at our description link below, we have also given you a free PDF. So this way you can go ahead and you can read everything that happened on the market for the 2019. This is a full free PDF on the fourth quarter. So this way you guys can see how everything has gone from the market from January all the way down to the fourth quarter, which is now. That's how well the market did, where the market has, and how the market has reacted so far. Now, remember, this year we saw three, not one, not two, but three Fed cuts. And with that, we also saw that the bonds took a hit on the market. And we're talking about a big hit for the bonds here. We also saw that the trade wars with China was also a disaster for the market as well. But even though, with all of that being said and all that put in there, the market still did fantastic for 2019. Don't ask me how, but it did. It did pretty good for 2019. This is according to this report that we have. Again, it's linked below so you can look at it and you can see for yourself. Now, with 2019, we also saw a lot. And when I say a lot, we saw a lot of crappy IPOs. A bunch of them trying to sell you garbage. And when I say they try to sell you, they really try to sell you a bunch of garbage here. So 2019 was the year of the garbage IPOs. When I say garbage, they were just garbage IPOs. So you also have that in there. Now, with 2020 coming in, investors are now back again into their seats worrying, is there going to be a recession coming up? What's going to be next? Now, with ahead of that, we also see that we're finally coming to some kind of an agreement with the trade wars with China. We also saw that the president already signed a deal with the new Canada and Mexico, that whole bunch of crap of MCA and all that stuff, which is good for the market. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with it. I think it was something that needed to be done, and it was something that needed to be done correctly. So therefore, I give them kudos for that, because it needed to get fixed. But now we still have the China thing going on, which is still lopsided, more towards the favor of China than the United States. So hopefully we can get some kind of a agreement here where we can actually balance that out a little bit better. Because right now, China's killing us on the trade deals. And that's just the way it is right now. So we have to go ahead and try to balance that out a little bit better. Now, with the 2020 election coming in, and now with the so-called president being impeached, because she still has to walk the bill over to the Senate and give it to the Senate to explain to the Senate that he's been impeached, and this is a whole bunch of hoopla crap here, because this is basically just daytime drama TV show with the media loving it and newspapers just covering it, and they just want more and more of ratings for their crappy networks. Now, with most of the Democratic electees running for president, the only one you hear about the most is Joe Biden on the news, on the newspaper, on the medias, on the networks, is basically Joe Biden. They're pushing Joe Biden so this way they can go ahead and put him into your face every time you see this guy. Okay, so one of those things where he's in your sight, he's in your mind, but the rest of the other Democratic candidates are out of sight, out of mind. And I have a beef with that. I personally don't like that crap, because basically out of all of those there, Joe Biden, for me, in my personal opinion, is not the right guy to run the country. Period. But again, that's my personal opinion. I know Marcus don't like me talking about politics, but again, politics and the market goes hand in hand. So therefore, I have to talk about it. Now, you have other candidates there that are not getting that much limelight at all. Now, this is what I tell people, and this is what I try to explain to people. Look for a candidate that values your views. Look for a candidate that's there for the things that worry you the most. So if you're worrying about your retirement, look for a candidate that's going to protect your retirement. If you're worrying about funding for school, or you don't have enough money to go to school, or you're saving up for money to go to school, but your student loans are just out of proportionally just crazy out of control right now, look for a candidate that can help you with that. Look for a candidate that's going to help you, because remember, if it doesn't just affect you, if it's hitting you, it's hitting millions just like you around the country. So therefore, look for a candidate that values your values, and don't look for a candidate that only values ratings on the media. That's garbage. Look for a candidate that's going to be there for you, that wants to put you first. And by putting you first, that means he's putting the country up first. What is best for America? And for America, the people must speak, and the people must stop worrying about these hooplas of crap of Democrats and Republicans. Forget about party lines completely. Forget about party lines. I don't care if you're Democrat. I don't care if you're Republican. Forget about those two party lines right there. Start looking at value, at what they're willing to do, what they're willing to go ahead and sacrifice to put in the front line, so this way this country can continue moving forward. It's just ridiculously stupid to me what the hell they're doing. Run a country. Don't run a drama rating system. That doesn't work. I don't care for it. This is why so many Americans are so deplugged from all of this crap. They already have reality TV. They don't need yours. If we want to watch something crappy like that, we can watch Veep. Let's start looking for candidates that really matters to us. What they're going to do for us. What they're willing to do for us, and what they're willing to do to protect us. Because that's what it comes down to. Us. U.S. stands for us. Not we, like the president tried to make it look. I mean, just platonically stupid. Really just is. Anyway. Again, this is a free PDF for you guys to have. I implore you guys to go ahead and download it. We have it up on our blog right now, so this way you can go ahead and you can check it out. And we can't wait to see you for the new year of 2020, where we actually go ahead and we put up more new stuff for you guys, and we take it on to the next new level there. Hopefully for 2020, we have Marcus back. I don't know where the hell he is. I don't know where the hell he's doing, but I'm already getting tired of doing this. All right, so again, I'm done with this.